Hi, Paul Glover here, the No BS Workplace Performance Coach. Every day at 5 a.m. I send out a Paul's Point to the day. It's basically a single sentence thought to provoke thinking in those who receive it. If you're interested in that opportunity, please contact me at paulglovercoaching.com and I'll put you on that distribution list. Also, I do a video, a tip of the day. Every day I'm struck by a thought, usually that is provoked by one of the people in my coaching program. Today's thought is how to deal with the curse of the sacred cow. First, what's a sacred cow? Well, my definition of the sacred cow, it has nothing to do with India or the religion, the Hindus, that states you cannot touch one of the Brahmin cows. What do I mean by that in an organization? That's the person that I cannot touch when I am engaged in helping an organization restructure. And by the way, that's going to go on a lot now, right? We're in the midst of the pandemic. And the pandemic at some point is going to require organizations restructure. And when they do, people are going to be affected by that restructuring. If you are a team leader, you need to know who on your team is a sacred cow, the person that cannot be touched during any restructuring. You may agree or not agree with them as being a person that should be on your team, especially if you're developing a high-performing work team. Doesn't matter. If they're a sacred cow, they have protection. They have protection by the owner, the president, someone above you that will tell you in no uncertain terms this person is going to stay where they're at, receiving the benefits and the wages that they receive, and you're not going to be able to do anything about it. What should you do about that? Accept it. You see, there are some battles that you need to fight, especially for the welfare and well-being of your team, because you're dependent upon them to be high-performing. But the reality is that there are some things you cannot fight. This is one of them. When I am told this is the sacred cow, I ask why. They tell me the reason. I move on. I accept that there is nothing I'm going to be able to do about this particular individual. Don't waste your energy or your time trying to make it different. My advice, it stands me in good stead, and I believe it would you too. Paul Glover, the No BS Workplace Performance Coach, saying, don't try to kill the sacred cow. They're impervious to your efforts for them to leave, to get them to leave. Thank you. Stay safe.